The question is integration of tan square x with tan square x. It becomes tan raised to power 4x. Integration of tan square x. Tan square x is what? Secant square x minus 1 with dx. Okay. Now this becomes tan square x with secant square x one term minus tan square x dx. Tan square x secant square x dx minus integration of tan square x dx. Now we are having integration of tan square x secant square x dx minus integration of secant square x minus 1 dx. Now this becomes I1, this is I1 minus integration of secant square x dx plus integration of dx. So I is equal to I1 minus integration of secant square x is what? Tan x plus x plus c. Now I1 is equal to integration of tan square x into secant square x dx. Okay, so let tan x is equal to t differentiating with respect to x secant square x dx is equal to dt. So I1 becomes now I1 is equal to integration of t dt, t square dt, sorry, because tan x is t, so it becomes t square dt. Now I1 is equal to t cube upon 3 plus c. So I1 is equal to now tan x tan cube x upon 3 plus c. So now putting the value here, what we are getting finally, the answer is integration of 1 upon 3 tan cube x minus tan x plus x plus c. This is the answer.